Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of two powerful credit cards from HDFC Bank, the Millennia credit card and the Infinia credit card. Whether you're a young digital spender or a frequent flyer who wants world-class perks, this breakdown is going to help you figure out which one fits your lifestyle best in 2025. By the end of this video, you know exactly which one suits your lifestyle better in 2025. Let's get started. The HDFC Millennia credit card is targeted at the modern, tech-savvy Indian shopper. It's designed with millennials and Gen Z in mind, offering cashback on your most frequent online purchases like Amazon, Flipkart, Swiggy, Zomato, Uber, and more. It fits perfectly if your spending leans heavily towards e-commerce and food delivery. It's entry-level but packed with practical value. On the other hand, the HDFC Infinia credit card is in a whole different league. This is HDFC's ultra-premium, invite-only metal credit card designed for high-net-worth individuals who demand elite travel perks, global access, and high reward point earnings. It's built not for everyday cashback but for maximizing luxury, travel, and exclusive experiences. From unlimited airport lounge access globally to personal concierge services and exclusive hotel partnerships, Infinia is about a high-end lifestyle. So whether you're trying to save on everyday spending or you're chasing luxury perks, these two cards represent opposite ends of HDFC's credit card spectrum. Now let us talk about the main features of both cards. First, the Millennia credit card. You get 5% cashback on Amazon, Book My Show, Calls.fit, Flipkart, Myntra, Sony, Swiggy, Uber, and Zomato. These are popular online platforms. It is perfect for those who shop and order food online regularly. You get 1% cashback on other spends. You get gift vouchers that are worth 1,000 rupees if you spend 1 lakh and above in each calendar quarter. And you also get 10% additional discount on Swiggy Dine Out using a particular coupon code on the website. This one. Additional features include zero loss card liability, interest-free credit period, revolving credits, and exclusive dining privileges. There's also a fuel surcharge waiver at all fuel stations across India, 1%. You can get this on minimum transaction of 400 rupees and maximum transaction of 5,000 rupees. And there's also lounge access. This HDFC Bank Millennia credit card also comes with an option to convert your big spend into an EMI after purchase. How about the Infinia credit card? It's a metallic card as I earlier mentioned, and you get 5 reward points for every 150 rupees spent. You get unlimited airport lounge access across the globe for the primary card owner and the add-on member. There's a global personal concierge 24/7 access. You get hotel and dining benefits. If you book stay for 3 nights, you pay for 2 at any participating intercontinental hotels and they pay for the other 1. There are golf privileges, unlimited complimentary golf games at leading courses across India, and it has the lowest markup fee of 2% on all foreign currency transactions. You also get the zero loss card liability feature, interest-free credit period feature, and the revolving credits. You get a global personal concierge service 24/7, and you enjoy unlimited complimentary airport lounge access in India for the primary card holder and add-on card holders when you use this Infinia card. Now let us talk about the pricing of both cards. For the Infinia credit card, there's a joining or renewal membership fee of 12,500 rupees plus GST, which means you pay 12,500 rupees to join the first year and you renew with 12,500 rupees the next year. If you spend up to 10 lakhs or more in the preceding year, then you get the renewal membership fee waived off for that year. And for the Millennia credit card, the joining fee is 1,000 rupees plus GST. If you spend up to 1 lakh or more in the year before, then you get your renewal fee waived off. So while Infinia carries a high fee, it's packed with features that can easily outweigh the cost if you spend strategically. Let us talk about the pros and cons of using both cards. We start with the Millennia card, the pros. It is great for online shopping and food delivery, and there is low joining and annual fees. The waiver conditions are achievable. And the pros of the Infinia credit card, 10 times reward potential gives outstanding value. It is travel friendly with low forex charges, and there is unlimited lounge access, concierge, and golf with insurance. How about the cons? For Millennia, foreign transactions may be expensive, and there's no international lounge access. And for Infinia, the annual fee is high, and it's not practical for someone who doesn't travel much. So which card should you go for in 2025? Well, if your focus is practicality, savings, and value on daily online transactions, then the HDFC Millennia card is a fantastic pick. It keeps things simple, it offers decent cashback on high-use platforms, and provides a taste of premium benefits with a low barrier to entry. On the flip side, if you're someone who travels frequently, dines out at luxury hotels, and you enjoy global experience, and you can meet the 10 lakh annual spend comfortably, then the Infinia card is simply unmatched. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore HDFC Regalia card, HDFC Diners Club Black, and SBI card Elites. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.